Where is the car? The car is under the snow. Where is the mechanic? The mechanic is under the car. Where is the girl? The girl is under the table. Where is the plumber? The plumber is under the sink. Where is the swimmer? The swimmer is under the water in the swimming pool. Where is the boy? The boy is under his bed. The man is under stress. Where is the man? The man is under a pile of paperwork. Where is the man? The man is under the umbrella. Where is the cat? The cat is under the chair. Where is the bird? The bird is under the bridge. Where is the car? The car is under the cover. Where is the duck's head? The duck's head is under the water. Where are the couple? The couple are under the mistletoe. Where are the couple? The couple are under the umbrella. Where are the Christmas presents? The Christmas presents are under the Christmas tree.